welcome to my channel. So this is where I ended last episode. So I told that I will build a house in this episode and nether portal. So the sun is going down. First let's sleep and then I will be back. I slept and woke up. So I'm going to the mining in a cave for cobblestone because I said I will build a house in this episode. So if you think that will be boring, you can skip this session, the mining session. So I'm going to the nearest cave to find the cobblestone. Oh, there is iron. So let me break with the iron pickaxe. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So guys, this is a 7 vein iron. So let me see here. Yes, so there are more iron. So I'm going to collect iron and cobblestone for the mining, for the building and the mining session. So guys, let's see where is the iron and break it. So we can make anvil and iron armor. So there is a spider. Let's beat this. Yes, we have beat this. So there is another one. So let's also beat this. So let's break this, guys. So if you think this is boring, you can skip the video where I start building. So if you want to do this in other way, please say it in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing. So we don't have coal. Sorry guys. So as I was saying, we don't have coal. So let's mine coal. It also helps in cooking food, but as I am a pro, I will cook the food with flint and steel. When we are killing the sheep or any animal, so we have to use flint and steel and a water bucket, so you will get cooked food immediately. You should not have been do it in the furnace. So let's mine for cobblestone. So guys, as I told, let's mine for cobblestone. So I will mine cobblestone for like 2 or 3 stacks. So that's enough for our building. So let's mine this. And if I find diamonds or iron, I'll also dig them because they are so useful in this journey. So there are some resources which are very important like iron and diamonds. So there are most powerful items in Logicraft. So let's mine them also. Let's eat some food. So I have apple which I took from the blacksmith's house. So let's try light up the cave that no monsters could spawn. So let's break. Sorry, I should make a pickaxe. It is stone and an axe because I cannot raise the iron pickaxe just like that. So let's go and make some stone pickaxe. And guys, if you want to watch the next video, please subscribe to my channel. So these are my first videos of my channel. So with your support I can grow so much. So please consider subscribing and liking. Please like and share, subscribe. So I will break these oak blocks because there are three oak blocks, and it's free here because we should go to the tree and mine them. But no, there are here in the farm borders. So let's just break it. But don't break the water lane one because the water will overflow. So we should mine this all the oak logs because I want to make a crafting table. Sorry guys. Which I want to make a crafting table which I can take to the mining session. So if I find valuable things I put in there. So I think this is enough. So let's go and make a crafting table with the use of crafting table. So I want to make a crafting table on sticks to make pickaxes. So I want to make a chest also to keep all the items in it. So just throw apple and take the chest because I want to keep the chest and keep items in it. Oh my god, it's not coming on. So sorry guys, let me do it please. Yes, I got it. So place the chest and place the unnecessary items you want, like saddle, dirt, spider eye, enchanted book. So these are the things. Coal is very important to make torches and some building blocks you can take, but take some wood with you and food. So let me make a furnace in which I can smell this iron and make a iron armor. So let me smelt it. So we will continue with the mining session. So come, we will mine for cobblestone. So as I said, if it is boring, please skip the video where I will be building the building. So guys, I will be mining cobblestone for 2 or 3 stacks and I will be back. And I promise that I will not do this in creative. So guys, as I said, I mined for 3 stacks of cobblestone. So there is night outside, so let me make a sport and go outside till my house. So guys, I mined for cobblestone so long, like 3 stacks. So in the next video I'll be making another portal. But guys, I said this episode, but I cannot make this in this video because there will be so much time to search the lava pool and the water buckets. So I will do that in the next video. So in this video I will only be building the house. So let me sleep and wake up. So today I'll be building house, but don't get offended, I'll be making a small house, not like pros. So I will be making a simple house because I don't want big houses. I want a house just enough to stay in it, sleep in it, and to access my storage because I'll be in the cave always mining for diamonds. So in the next video we'll be mining diamonds and making another portal. So let's make the house. So I showed a quick video so that you can believe that I am building a house, not in survival, but not in creative. So I started there and I completed the house. Sorry guys. So I completed the house and the house is fully complete. So this is a simple house, but it is enough for me to stay in it. So guys, if you like the video, please like. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe and share. So guys, thanks for watching.